everyone, welcome to Amazon Web Services training course. My name is Junaid Imtiaz and I am a senior consultant and AWS authorized trainer at Abacus Consulting. Here I help organizations in building, architecting and delivering their enterprise software applications. Architecting class primarily focuses on well-architected framework. This framework is developed by AWS certified solutions architects based on their interactions with thousands of clients. In this course, you will also learn about database services like Amazon RDS and DynamoDB, API management services like API Gateway, and serverless computing services like AWS Lambda, and many more services. You don't need to have any prior knowledge or hands-on experience of AWS. We will start from basic fundamentals and would reach to the core technical concepts of AWS. After taking this course, you will be able to sit in and hopefully pass the AWS Cloud Practitioner and AWS Certified Solutions Architect exam. I am very excited to see you in the class, so get yourself enrolled and prepare for an amazing journey.